Hello everybody. Today we are reviewing the Changan Dominator MAX, a modern four-wheel drive pickup-based camper with a hybrid powertrain and a very interesting interior layout. We start with the exterior. The motorhome looks compact, but at the same time it is tall, spacious, and visually very modern. This model is designed for comfortable traveling both on the highway and beyond paved roads. Let's step inside and enter the living module. We'll start with the bathroom. Here we have a combined shower and toilet. Compact, but very practical for traveling. On the ceiling, there are 4 LED lights, a ventilation hatch with a fan, and a holder that can be used for towels or hangers. The bathroom also has a small window with a mosquito screen and blackout blind, a large mirror, a toilet, a shower tray, a shower holder, a shower curtain, and a small upper storage cabinet. The combined bathroom in this camper is designed around one simple idea: maximum functionality in a compact space. Nothing here feels random. Every detail is made to improve comfort on the road. For a motorhome of this size, this is a very important area because it gives you real independence. You can stop almost anywhere without depending on campsites or external facilities. The finish looks clean, practical, and easy to maintain, while the layout is arranged for everyday use. The shower curtain helps protect the rest of the bathroom from water. The ventilation removes moisture quickly, and the mirror together with the upper cabinet adds extra convenience. Now we move into the main living area. Here we have a dinette with 2 sofas positioned opposite each other. The seats are equipped with seat belts, so passengers can sit here while driving. Nearby, there are standard power sockets and USB ports, very convenient for charging a phone, camera, or other devices on the road. The large panoramic window makes the interior brighter and visually more spacious. It comes with a mosquito screen and blackout blind, so this area is comfortable both during the day and in the evening. In the center, there is a table with 2 cup holders and an integrated induction hob. This is a clever solution that saves space and makes the dining area highly functional. The living area also has a built-in air conditioner, which is especially important for traveling in warm weather. In the front overcab section, there is a large sleeping area. It has 2 small side windows on the left and right, plus a large panoramic roof hatch above, bringing in more light and creating a greater sense of space. The light leatherette finish with diamond stitching creates a cozy and almost premium atmosphere. Throughout the living area, there are power sockets, USB ports, LED lighting, and individual reading lights, so every passenger can set up their own comfortable space for relaxing. The living area also has a control panel for the diesel heater. This is an important feature for traveling in cooler weather. Now, let's move into the driver's cab. There is direct access from the living module to the cab, which is very convenient and practical while traveling. Everything here is designed in a modern minimalist style. There are almost no unnecessary buttons. Everything is well thought out, clean, and exactly where it should be. There is a wireless phone charger with cooling, a rotary drive mode selector, 4-wheel drive controls, a multifunction steering wheel, and a large LED multimedia screen that replaces a whole galaxy of buttons. The cab looks high-tech and fits perfectly with the overall concept of this camper. Now we return to the living module. The large sofa easily transforms into a double bed. This is a very convenient solution for family trips or traveling with friends. During the day, it works as a full lounge and dining area. And in the evening, it becomes a comfortable sleeping place. The transformation takes very little time. The cushions are easy to remove and reposition, so the bed can be prepared in just a couple of minutes. Above this area, there is a large window with a mosquito screen and blackout blind. It brings in natural light during the day and helps create a cozy atmosphere in the evening. The demonstrator shows how the bed folds back. Everything is quick and requires very little effort. The living area here feels like a small lounge on wheels. Despite the compact size of the camper, it does not feel cramped inside. The space is arranged so that during the day, it works as a place for relaxing, dining, and spending time together. While in the evening, it can become a proper sleeping area. I especially like that the layout is not overloaded with unnecessary details. Everything is within easy reach, the passage remains convenient, and the soft finish with light materials makes the interior feel warmer and more comfortable. Now let's move to the kitchen area. Here we have a microwave oven, a nice feature that you don't always find even in more expensive European campers. The microwave oven is a very convenient feature for traveling. You can quickly heat up food, make a simple breakfast, or prepare a snack without any extra effort. Under the sink, there is an inverter refrigerator with a built-in freezer compartment. For a compact motorhome, this is a very practical solution. Food and drinks are always within easy reach. The kitchen is equipped with a large convenient tap and a stainless steel sink. The sink closes with a cover, which can be used as extra worktop space or as a surface for preparing food. Above the kitchen, there is a spacious upper cabinet for dishes and smaller items. Here we also have the screen for the 360-degree camera system. It allows you to see the area around the camper, which is very useful when parking or maneuvering. Next to it is the main control panel for the motorhome, and near the entrance, there is a button for the electric step. On the opposite side, there is another small but quite practical storage drawer. Overall, the interior of the Changan Dominator MAX feels modern, functional, and very well thought out for traveling. It offers sleeping places, a dining area, a kitchen, a bathroom, plenty of light, many sockets, and lots of smart solutions for life on the road. Now let's look at the technical side of the Changan Dominator MAX. This camper stands out because it is different from a traditional motorhome. At its core is an extended-range hybrid powertrain, a D20T GDI petrol engine with twin turbocharging and direct injection, a 31.18 kilowatt-hours traction battery, and intelligent dual-motor all-wheel drive. The electric motors produce 200 kilowatts combined, with maximum torque of 470 Newton meters. For a motorhome, that means confident starts, easier hill climbs, stable driving with a full load, and more control on difficult roads. The all-wheel drive offers 2H, Auto, and 4L modes. In normal use, the camper can drive more efficiently. On gravel, wet roads, snow, sand, climbs, or light off-road terrain, it gives much more confidence. The claimed front, center, and rear differential locks prepare it beyond asphalt. The size is well balanced, 5,910 millimeters long, 2,170 millimeters wide, 2,920 millimeters high, with a 3,430 millimeters wheelbase. Inside, there is a living area, kitchen, bathroom, and sleeping space. But the vehicle does not become a huge 7-meter motorhome. For autonomy, it has a 100-liter fresh water tank, a 50-liter gray water tank, and a diesel heater for independent interior heating. The 31.18 kilowatt-hour battery also supports the living module, while the claimed external output of up to 6 kilowatts allows use of the induction hob, microwave, air conditioner, and other equipment. Overall, the Changan Dominator MAX is a technological hybrid camper with all-wheel drive, strong electric power, water tanks, autonomous heating, and preparation for real travel beyond campsites and paved roads.